Section 1. Dawn of a New Era, introducing the F-47 Thunderstorm. This is not just another aircraft, it's a symbol of innovation and power, heralding a new chapter in aerial combat. The skies are about to get a whole lot more electric. With its advanced capabilities, the F-47 Thunderstorm is set to dominate the airspace like never before. Boeing has unveiled its latest and greatest fighter jet, the F-47 Thunderstorm. This aircraft represents years of research, development, and cutting-edge engineering. This next-generation aircraft is set to redefine air dominance for the United States Air Force. Its agility and power are unmatched, making it a formidable presence in the sky. The F-47 is more than just an upgrade. It is a revolutionary leap forward, designed to meet the demands of modern warfare. It is a clean-sheet design, incorporating cutting-edge technology and a new philosophy of air power. Every component has been meticulously crafted to ensure peak performance. The F-22 Raptor is a tough act to follow. Its legacy of excellence in air combat is well known and respected. However, the aging Raptor is nearing the end of its service life. The need for a successor has never been more urgent. The Air Force needed a replacement, something that could meet the challenges of a rapidly evolving global threat landscape. The F-47 was conceived to fill this critical gap. The F-47 is their answer. It embodies the future of air combat, with capabilities that far surpass its predecessors. It is designed to counter emerging threats from near-peer adversaries like China and Russia. These nations are rapidly advancing their own military technologies, and the F-47 is America's response. The Thunderstorm is more than just a fighter jet. It is a sophisticated weapons system designed to operate as part of a larger network. Its arsenal is state-of-the-art, ensuring it can handle any threat. It is a sophisticated weapons system designed to operate as part of a larger network. This interconnected approach is the future of military strategy. Think of it as a node in a vast, interconnected battle space. The F-47 will be a crucial link in the chain of command and control. The F-47 will share data with other aircraft, ground units, and even satellites. This seamless communication will enhance mission effectiveness and safety. This will provide unparalleled situational awareness and allow for coordinated strikes with devastating precision. The ability to act on real-time intelligence is a game-changer. The stakes are high for the F-47 program. The success of this aircraft is critical to maintaining air superiority. The future of American air power and potentially global stability rests on its wings. The F-47 is not just a tool of war, it's a guardian of peace. The Thunderstorm is a bold bet on the future, a technological leap designed to maintain America's edge in the skies. Its innovative design and advanced systems are a testament to human ingenuity. Only time will tell if it can live up to its sky-high expectations. But one thing is certain, the F-47 Thunderstorm is poised to make history. Section 2, Vanishing Act, Stealth and Sensor Supremacy in the F-47. The F-47 Thunderstorm is designed to dominate in the most contested airspace. This aircraft is not just another fighter jet, it is a marvel of modern engineering, built to excel where others falter. This means operating undetected in environments saturated with enemy sensors. The F-47 can slip through the most sophisticated detection systems, making it a formidable adversary. Stealth is no longer just about being invisible to radar, it's a multifaceted approach that includes minimizing electronic, thermal, and even visual signatures. It's about minimizing your electronic, thermal, and even visual signature. The F-47 achieves this through a combination of advanced materials, innovative design, and cutting-edge technology. The Thunderstorm takes stealth to the next level. It's not just about avoiding detection, it's about becoming a ghost in the sky. Boeing has poured decades of experience in low observable technology into the F-47. This aircraft is the culmination of years of research, development, and testing. It boasts a completely redesigned airframe, optimized for stealth from every angle. Every curve, every surface has been meticulously crafted to reduce its radar cross-section. The jet's smooth, blended lines and internal weapons bays minimize its radar cross-section. This design ensures that the F-47 remains undetected until it's too late for the enemy. This makes it incredibly difficult for enemy radar to detect, track, and target. The F-47 can approach, engage, and disengage without ever being seen. But stealth is only half the equation. The F-47 is not just about avoiding detection, it's also about superior situational awareness. The F-47 is also equipped with an arsenal of advanced sensors, giving it an unparalleled understanding of the battle space. These sensors provide real-time data, allowing pilots to make informed decisions quickly. Its active electronically scanned array, or AESA, radar can detect and track multiple targets at incredible distances. This radar system is one of the most advanced in the world, providing the F-47 with a significant tactical advantage. This allows the Thunderstorm to engage enemy aircraft long before they even know it's there. The element of surprise is a powerful weapon, and the F-47 wields it with precision. The F-47 goes beyond traditional radar. It incorporates a suite of electronic warfare capabilities that can disrupt enemy communications and radar systems. It incorporates infrared search and track systems, or IRST, allowing it to passively detect and target the heat signatures of enemy aircraft. This system is particularly effective in environments where radar might be less reliable. This is particularly effective against stealth aircraft, which are designed to evade radar but still emit heat. The R system ensures that the F-47 can track and engage these elusive targets. The combination of advanced stealth and powerful sensors makes the F-47 a true ghost in the machine. It's an aircraft that can see without being seen, strike without being struck, and dominate the skies with unparalleled efficiency. Section 3. Brains and Bandwidth, AI and Networking in the Thunderstorm. In this section, we delve into the intricate relationship between artificial intelligence and advanced networking capabilities that make the F-47 Thunderstorm a marvel of modern military technology. The F-47 Thunderstorm is more than just a collection of advanced hardware. It represents the pinnacle of technological integration, where every component works in harmony to create a formidable weapon of war. It is a flying supercomputer, packed with artificial intelligence and networked for seamless collaboration. The AI on board is not just a tool but a partner to the pilot, enhancing their capabilities and providing critical support in real time. This creates a level of battlefield awareness and coordination never before seen in air warfare. The AI processes vast amounts of data from various sensors, providing the pilot with a comprehensive view of the battlefield. The F-47's AI acts as a co-pilot, constantly analyzing sensor data, identifying threats, and recommending courses of action. This dynamic interaction between human and machine ensures that the pilot can make informed decisions quickly and efficiently. This allows pilots to focus on the most critical tasks, such as targeting and maneuvering, while the AI handles the rest. The AI's ability to manage routine operations and monitor the environment means that the pilot can concentrate on mission objectives without being overwhelmed by information. The AI can even take over control of the aircraft in certain situations, such as during complex maneuvers or evasive actions. This capability is crucial during high-stress scenarios where split-second decisions can mean the difference between success and failure. This frees up the pilot to focus on strategic decision-making. By offloading routine tasks to the AI, the pilot can think several steps ahead, planning and executing strategies that would be impossible without such advanced support. The Thunderstorm is designed to operate as part of a larger network, sharing data with other aircraft, ground units, and command centers. This interconnectedness transforms individual jets into a cohesive force, capable of executing complex missions with precision. This creates a common operating picture, allowing for coordinated strikes and rapid decision-making. The ability to share real-time data ensures that all units are on the same page, reducing the risk of miscommunication and enhancing overall mission effectiveness. Imagine a swarm of F-47s, each sharing sensor data and targeting information in real time. This networked approach amplifies the capabilities of each jet, creating a force multiplier effect that can overwhelm even the most sophisticated adversaries. This creates a level of battlefield awareness that overwhelms the enemy, allowing for swift and decisive victories. The ability to see and respond to threats in real time gives the Thunderstorm a significant tactical advantage. The F-47's networking capabilities also extend to electronic warfare. It can engage in a variety of electronic attacks, disrupting enemy operations and providing cover for Allied forces. It can jam enemy radars, disrupt communications, and even launch cyber attacks, all while remaining virtually invisible. This stealth capability ensures that the Thunderstorm can operate in hostile environments without being detected. The Thunderstorm is more than just a fighter jet. It is a symbol of technological prowess and strategic innovation, designed to dominate the skies and ensure air superiority. It is a node in a vast, interconnected battle space, capable of sharing information and coordinating attacks with unprecedented speed and precision. This level of integration and cooperation is what sets the F-47 Thunderstorm apart from any other aircraft in the world.